Well, hey guys, welcome to Bartlow's Barbecue, and today, that's right, we are going to assemble and build a J.J. George Kamado Joe Jr. barbecue table. It's going to be a lot of fun. And if you stick around, I'm going to share 3 reasons why I chose this particular model versus do-it-yourself. Also, I'm going to give you 3 reasons why do-it-yourself might be a great option for you. So let's go. Well, hey guys, the first reason why I chose this method was the time savings and the assembly. What's cool about J.J. George is this particular model came in 5 pieces only. It was pre-designed, picked with the wood and already assembled. Just had to put the 5 pieces together. So it came with 2 sets of legs and 3 tabletops. And we'll show you a video of what that looks like as we're talking here. But that's one of the reasons why I chose this method, because for me and my particular lifestyle, I was looking for something that was simply efficient and fast and quick. I just didn't have the time to do it yourself. And also the cost associated with that if I didn't have all the tools, and didn't want to go hunt down the labor and all the measurements. That's one reason why I love the J.J. George tables. I've been operating with my Classic 2 table for a while now, and I love it. And it's upheld, the weather here in Oklahoma where I'm from. And so again, the first reason is quick assembly and the time savings. Because again, if you do it yourself, it might take a little bit longer. Actually, I know for a fact it would take a lot longer to go that method, especially on the larger tables that you might be purchasing. So that's the first reason. Let's get into the second. All right, guys, the second reason why I chose the J.J. George table was the style and quality of wood. It comes from Eastern cedar wood, specifically made in the U.S., which I appreciate. And again, you can tell the quality of wood. They put the right kind of coating to make it glossy and shiny. It's heavy duty. It's getting, I believe, and they also, mention on their website, it's going to last the lifetime of the grill. So, man, I'm all in when I hear that. If I know I can get quality wood, it's already had its quality check covered. It's got great reviews. I'm all in. That sold me. And plus, again, I mentioned this, I've been using one of their other ones, a larger table for my Classic 2, Kamado Joe, and it's worked out fantastic. And it's endured the ups and downs of what I like to call Oklahoma weather. So tornado season, crazy rain, crazy heat, the quick winters, the amazing falls. I mean, like, it's endured, plus I have a cover for it, but it's endured for a while now. So I'm really excited why I got the Joe Jr. table, and for those reasons, that's number 2, the quality type of wood. Let's go to 3. Hey guys, the third reason why I chose this style of Kamado Joe was, honestly, it's the custom design. The reason why I want to bring you down here to show you just how easy it is to custom design any type of Kamado Joe that you have. And honestly, they do any kind of Kamados that you have, no matter if it's a Vision or if it's a Big Green Egg or whatever, a Primo. They can do any of those designs. But I wanted to show you just the measurements, because I know a lot of you like that. This is 20 inches, 21 inches, pretty much from the outside of the base, and then it kind of shrinks down to 19 all the way. And the width of this is 22 from the outside of the top, and about 19 all the way down, and again to the legs. And you can see the industrial style wheels, and man, it's fantastic. And they recommend that you put a paver in just to protect the wood from the high heats. But I typically haven't had any issues there, but that's a great recommendation. I typically do that on both of my tables. So that's the third reason. Let me share with you 3 reasons why do-it-yourself might be an option for you today. All right, guys, I want to give you 3 reasons why do-it-yourself barbecue table might be something you want to consider. The first reason is you get to create it. You get to research it based on your needs, your style and size of grill you have or Kamado. You can build it yourself. You can download plans. I'll throw some links up here of a few places you might want to consider, a few other videos that you might want to look at to do it yourself, but you get to create it. That's the number one reason why doing it yourself might be a better option. Number two is cost. Now, this could go either direction, more expensive, less expensive, depending on the plans, the style and quality of the wood and what type of wood is available in your part of the country. And that could be, you could build it for $100, or it could take up to $1,000 depending on how large and the type of wood you have. And then the last reason is really simple. It's just the sense of accomplishment of building it yourself, and there's nothing like doing that. For me, that's just not what I chose based on my current situation and lifestyle. I prefer just to have it already done, and I just have to put a few pieces together so I can get to grilling fast. But those are 3 reasons why you might want to choose do it yourself. Hey guys, if you like this video, like it, subscribe, turn on the notification buttons, check out all the other barbecue tips and tricks. I love teaching people the basics of barbecue. Maybe you'll learn a few things, and I can also learn from you, because I always like to say we're on a barbecue journey together, and we're always learning together. So from my backyard to yours, enjoy barbecue.